Hey guys, it's Rachel. I hope that you guys are all doing so great today. I have been working on a project the last couple of days and have just made several trips out in the rain here in Sioux Falls to go to the Goodwill to give away some items that I've been finding in boxes that I've been cleaning out from our basement because we are in the midst of doing this big organizational project down there, which is long overdue. Anyways, I just had to take a quick break and share with you guys some things that I found today, which is kind of embarrassing, so of course it must be shared. I was going through a bunch of my old scrapbooks, and I was super into scrapbooks when I was young, and I actually came across some interesting things from about my 6th grade year, 7th grade year, and I just had to laugh because I clearly didn't have a whole lot going on in my life then, if you look at what I put in these scrapbooks, so I just had to share it with you guys really quickly. The first thing that I wanted to show you, and this is a shout out to all my girls that used to read the Babysitters Club. You know who you are. Apparently I thought it was really cool to make a little fan page of my own here to the BSC, as we like to call them. And it's kind of special because it looks like there's just a sticker here on a piece of cardboard, and I must have found pictures of the Babysitters Club in some sort of advertising piece because I cut it out and then I arranged them here in this nice little design. So anyways, it just kind of cracked me up when I saw it. And I suppose at this point, since this is the internet, I should say that I don't own the rights to the Babysitters Club. I think it's Scholastic, so just didn't want to get in any trouble there. Okay, the next thing I wanted to show you guys, let's see. Oh, I don't know if we all remember Glamour Shots. But here are some photos that I got done at Glamour Shots when I was in about 7th grade, and this is funny because it was kind of in the midst of the pre-Winnie Cooper transformation, if you know what I mean. I still had like the glasses and braces, and probably self-confidence was slightly low, so my mom apparently thought it would be a good idea to take me to Glamour Shots. Thanks, Mom. Anyways, these just kind of cracked me up because they're just very early 90s. I've got kind of mall bangs here and some denim and studs going on here. This appears to be a gold lame jacket, and this pose is slightly provocative, which is a little much for 13, but anyways, remember this? Kind of looking over your shoulder and turning up your collar. So anyways, that was kind of fun. Let's see, what else do we have in here? Oh, this is kind of funny. I apparently thought it would be really cool to put in a bunch of hospital lunch menus, and the kind of sad thing about this is they weren't even mine. They were actually my grandpa. My grandpa was in the hospital, and at this time I think it was for something relatively minor, so again, I don't know why I thought it was important to keep his lunch menus, but I did, and I've got 5 of them here, so if anybody wants to know what the Abbott Northwestern Hospital was serving for lunch and dinner and breakfast in 1992, I can let you know. Oh, the other thing here is this Award of Merit from the Minneapolis Fire Department, and I totally respect what they were doing, but I just had to giggle because this is a certificate that says I have successfully learned not to burn in fire safety. So, I don't know, learn not to burn myself, other things, I don't know, but that's kind of funny that we had to learn not to do that. Okay, and I think the last thing I had to show you guys, this is kind of hilarious, is, I apparently thought it would be cool to save a detention form. My first detention form, I got this in 7th grade from Mrs. Mumford because apparently I had too short of a skirt on, I think. So I just thought that was funny. I have no idea why I would ever want to keep this, much less put it in a scrapbook for posterity, but, oh, actually, here's the real last thing to show you guys. This is a page from the National Enquirer. I don't even know how I got a hold of such a thing, but it is a page that has Jesse Ventura in it because at the time, in 1992, he was the mayor of Brooklyn Park, which is one of the towns that I grew up in, and I was really excited about that, so I circled Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, and I wrote our town on it, and there's Jesse right there. So little did I know that like 10 years later he was going to be the governor of Minnesota, so apparently I had some sort of gift for the future with that. Anyway, so thank you so much for letting me share that with you guys today. I hope it was entertaining, and I hope that you guys had much more exciting things in your scrapbooks than pages from the National Enquirer and hospital menus that didn't belong to you. So anyways, you guys have a great day. I'll see you later.